Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to renew your driving license in Florida. So open up any of your browser in the laptop or mobile phone or PC and search here renew driving license Florida. Just make sure to enter this search renew driving license and write down the name of your country Florida, and once you search this just press on enter, and after that you just need to open this website flhsmv.gov. so make sure to open the first website, and once you open the website it will take a few seconds to load, and from here you can just read down all the general information that is necessary for before you renew your the license. Like you can also read the fee page, which is essential for you before you just going to renew your license. As you can read, like original class E like $48, 75, 48. Make sure to go through this fee structure, and once you complete this one, like just go back to this page, and from here like you renew online this section, just click on my DMV portal, and once you click here you will be redirected to another page. So wait for it until it completely loads, and after that you will be like seeing this kind of section or this kind of page. Just click on login to my DMV portal, and once you click on login to my DMV portal, so after that just make sure to click on I agree to the terms, and from here you can just, let's say you already have an account to this one FLHSMV, or you are new here, you can just log in with your account if you are old, and just click on enroll now if you're new here. And once you enroll or log in, after that they will simply guide you, like the process is completely simple. Just make sure to enter the like attach your payment methods and other details like the card number, and after that you will be able to renew your driving license in Florida. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.